So what does a 72-year-old vegan fruitarian eat for lunch? Today I'm having a very uncomplicated lunch. It's a mono meal of watermelon, one of my favorite fruits. And I'm so glad I'm in Florida because we have a double watermelon season. You can grow them pretty much all year. And so my wife picked up this watermelon the other day. We get the ones with the seeds, the football type. Oh man, it's off the charts, sweet, juicy, really good. When you start this lifestyle, it's extremely important to learn to increase your fruit uptake because that's where you're going to get your calories. Remember, you're not going to supply your caloric needs from vegetables. Vegetables are great. Tons of minerals and pure water also, but they will not supply your caloric needs. Now, fruit is higher in calories. Not super high, but they're higher, but you have to learn to eat enough fruit to satiate yourself. And that can be hard. That can be a challenge in the beginning. Because like me, if you're on a standard American diet and you're trying to change to more vegan, natural foods, live foods, fruits, the standard American diet tends to shrink our stomachs. Because I mean, you could just eat, one hamburger, from Burger King, and you may get 1,000 calories. But it's not really the volume of the food that's filling up your stomach. Like I said, I believe we're designed for fruit, and when you eat fruit, you have to eat enough to satiate yourself, and when you do that, your stomach expands. Okay, it's like a muscle, it expands from the water and the fiber. That's a good thing. You want to teach your stomach to hold more fruit. Because like I say, fruit is higher in calories, but you still need to eat quite a bit of fruit to supply your caloric needs. Now, I love bananas, watermelon, oranges, mangoes, grapes. I could eat those as mono meals, any one of those foods. It's nothing for me to put 10 bananas in the blender, a little water, and I got banana milk. To eat 10 mangoes, or to eat a huge cluster of grapes. And this helps the stomach expand. You're getting plenty of calories that will keep you going. But here's the other beauty about mono meals. They're uncomplicated. There's no cleanup. No cleanup. And, when I was on the sad American diet, when I had lunch, I might have had 10 to 15 different ingredients in that lunch. Just a sandwich can have 10 to 15 different ingredients. And then if you have a side of this, a side of that, you're getting so many ingredients and your body has to deal with all that, has to process it and eliminate it. That's why when you eat those standard American meals, after the meal, you feel like going to sleep. You're tired because your body's trying to digest all this, and it's tough, with these vinegars, the salts, all the condiments. Every little thing that you add, you're adding a burden to your digestive system. So mono meals, uncomplicated, and after the meal, you don't feel dull. You don't feel numbed out. You don't feel fatigued. You feel clear. Your mind is still clear, and you're ready to go. What are we going to do next? Okay, so mono meals. Today, I've got the watermelon. Let me show you this. Look at that baby. Yeah, my wife picked this up the other day, and we always get the football type with the seeds. Excellent, excellent. So I'm going to devour this, or I might not eat the whole thing, but I'll eat till I'm satiated, and that's it. See, I've learned to be able to take quite a bit of fruit because I've been doing this for so many years. So that's going to be key for you. I've got the big spoon today. So please give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Post any questions or comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All the best to your health success. Take care.